Thai fried rice. No oil added. Omit the just egg if you want to have it completely oil free. So I use this slurry. When the protein's warmed up and ready to go, I add the slurry. It's going to stick to the pan a little bit. Don't worry, it's going to turn into a wonderful sauce. As soon as we add those veggies to the sticky pan, the juices from those veggies cooking are going to hit that pan and turn it into a wonderful sauce. So timing is everything. Get into the pan just right. Add the just egg mixture to the celery. The two combine for this wonderful flavor. Once it sticks, scrape it up, mix all of that in with the rice and the rest of the veggies, and you have the best Thai fried rice, Thai not fried rice you've ever had. Hope you like it. Enjoy.